Hello, my name is Vlad, and I'm a student, and I'm also a teacher. My goal is to make homework more fun, and I need your help. I've designed a website that has your homework available in audio, video, and text that you can use on any internet-connected device, your computer or your phone. So you can listen to your homework while sitting on a bus. You can watch your homework while doing the dishes. You can read it anywhere that you have your phone. When you navigate the website, you'll notice that it consists of multiple sections. For example, Jewish history, rise of the Nazis, ideology and propaganda, and so on. Each of these sections is split into 3 subsections that's available in video, audio, and text. Let's open up Rise of the Nazis video section. You'll notice on the left-hand side there are 2 videos, and on the right-hand side there's 2 sets of questions. Each question consists of 4 parts. 2 multiple choice, and 2 short answer. After you watch the video, please answer the question that is relevant to that video. So you see video 1, Nazi education, and question 1. Each question consists of 2 parts. The first question is a multiple choice, which asks you how useful do you find the video or audio or text for understanding the topic, and a brief explanation why. The second part asks you about the content. For example, you may have found the video very useful, but it was super boring. So this is important for me to understand. After you watch the video, please answer the question that's relevant to the video. So if you watched video 1, answer question 1. If you watched video 2, answer question 2. Please do the same for every video, every text, and every audio file. It doesn't require much, it's just basically multiple choice and a short answer. It would really help me understand how you learn, what you like, in my attempt to make homework fun. Thank you, and I really hope that you enjoy using my website. Have a good day.